going on there, YouTube? SoCal Gunner here, coming at you with an unboxing video of November's Man Can. This is the Mega Man Up Can. I've subscribed to the Mega Man Up Can now since its inception, so this is November. We're gonna do an unboxing of it, see what it is that we got, and I haven't checked out Iraq Veterans video, so I have no idea what the heck is in here. So let's have a look together. Be a first impressions and check out to see if I'm interested in it. But to start off, look at this, an anti-splint. That's cool. Little splint. Can already kind of see what this box is going to be all about just by cracking her open, but it looks like it's a first aid box itself. Check this out. Lifeline. What's it got? Looks like a first aid kit. Let's see, band-aids, some gloves, more bandages, and let's have a look here. Oh look, check it out. Man, jam-packed full of stuff. I'm not going to pull all that stuff out because I have a hard time putting all that in here in the camera. So, keep on going. Let's see. Hyphen Vent. Chest Seal Twin Pack. Oh, this looks like some kind of, would it be? Yeah, for a wound. Cover up a wound. Stop the bleeding. That's pretty cool. Definitely something I'll throw in one of my bug out bags. Look at this, a little utility pouch. Medical Team Series utility pouch with a little bit of webbing for mounting on Molly. Let's see, this is, oh yeah, check it out. Little patch, throw that on my patch wall. This is cool. Will definitely be something to always need little bags for stuff. Continuing on, let's see. The emergency bandage, trauma wound dressing, 4-inch hemorrhage control bandage. This is vacuum sealed nice and tight. Check that out. That's pretty cool. So it's definitely a first aid box. Keep on going. Let's see. Stretch wrap and tuck tourniquet. That's cool. It's definitely something I'll probably carry with me in the field, or at least when I'm out hunting. You never know when you may need a tourniquet. Cool, look at that. This is Medical Gear Outfitters. Oh, Skinny Medic. This is gonna be, I'm not gonna show you, this is a coupon code for Skinny Medic. Get 10% off and everything you order from Skinny Medic's website. Plus, look at that. I threw in some scissors for cutting clothes so you don't cut somebody when you're trying to get in there and cut their clothes off. What else we got? Let's see. Triangular bandage. That's cool. It's definitely something that can be tossed in to a hunting pack or to your bug out bag. And what was this? Oh, that is awesome. Look at that. Universal Surgical Kit. Complete. OD. Wow, look at that. That is sweet. Should we open it real quick? Alright. Let's crack her open real quick. What am I? IV knives out here. Man. So this comes complete with a whole bunch of stuff that you can see there. Man, that is pretty sweet. This is definitely something I'll keep in my truck when I'm on my hunting trips, because you never know. You may come across something or cut yourself and you just sew yourself back up if you want to keep on hunting. This is, or I live in earthquake country, so you never know. This might come in handy. So, wow, that's pretty cool. Definitely something I'll be throwing in my backpack for sure. But man, this is a pretty good pack. So there you have it. That's first impressions. I like this November month. So we'll see what December holds for. So keep posted. This is definitely going to be pretty cool to check out later on. You guys have a good one out there, YouTube. Till later.